CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Robocopy. The robocopy command, short for robust file copy, is a command line utility used for copying files and directories with a more robust set of features than other available copy commands, such as copy or xcopy. First, it can resume interrupted transfers, picking up where it left off once the connection is restored. This makes it perfect for transferring a large number of files over unreliable connections. Second, it handles dynamic data efficiently, ensuring the destination is always synchronized with the source. Great for environments where files are frequently added or deleted. Third, it can mirror entire directories, making it perfect for backup solutions where an exact copy of the source directory is needed. Think of robocopy as the superhero of file copying, designed to handle complex tasks with ease. Suppose you want to copy a directory, called projects, from your local computer to a network share, named projects, located on a device, named server 1. You want to ensure that the copy can resume if interrupted and that it mirrors the source directory. You would use the following command: robocopy, followed by the source location, which is /users, /your username, /documents, /projects. This is followed by the destination, server 1, /projects. As for options, we will be using the /mir option, which tells robocopy to mirror the source directory to the destination, including all subdirectories and files, as well as delete files in the destination that no longer exist in the source. Next, the /z option will tell robocopy to copy the files in restartable mode, which means it can resume the copying process if interrupted. Once you press enter, the process will begin. The copy process will also be accompanied by a detailed output of events. In summary, robocopy is the superhero of file copying utilities, offering advanced features that outshine other copy commands, such as copy and xcopy. It's perfect for transferring a large number of files over unreliable connections, as it can resume interrupted processes. Additionally, it excels in dynamic environments, providing the ability to mirror data accurately for backup purposes. So, next time you need to handle complex file transfers, call on robocopy, the superhero your files deserve. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.